Hello, welcome once again. This is the second part of the native ads. Mainly, we are proceeding with the Taboola. This presentation is by Uplatz. So, I hope you have seen the previous one where I explain you that how to create account, how to add pixel, how to add conversion, and so many things I explained there. So now in this session, I am going to explain you that how to create ads in campaign, how to use A/B testing, how to see reports, and so many things. So I hope you all are ready to capture this all the information about the Taboola. So I'm not wasting your time and just moving to Taboola. So here this is the advertiser section. Create a campaign. So instead of creating this, I am directly moving to login as our account is already created. So there is no need to create once again. Just wait and watch. Now we are at this dashboard. This is our dashboard where we can see our campaign. I hope a few of the campaign is started. Like top campaign content. Here you can see campaign management. You can see recommendation. You can see each and everything. You can see this is the billing. This is the conversion. And this is the audience that we have selected. As of now, this is not active. This is not active. And this is the billing management where we can see that how we can add. This is one of the biggest thing that you should take care, because automatic billing is created trouble in future if you think that your desired thing has been completed and you are forget to uh, close this, then your ad will be continued. In a few year ago, this happened with my one client, and this is the customer care. Means if you have any technical issue related, then you can contact. So I hope all is clear to you. Now here you can see for all campaign that according to date you will see according to day of week, means first week, second week by campaign. Let's wait. There is no data as we have not created. By site, there is no data to display in table. Please try changing your selection time period, and you can select the time period from here according to country. And I think this or maybe, and this is the platform, means where our platform is mobile, tablet, according to audience. So these all the things are showing here. Now it is the time to explain you one more interesting thing. So if you want to create some more ads in a campaign or you want to create a new campaign, simply you need to go in the campaign management. Here you find your all the campaigns are showing here. You can easily understand that still the pending is review, and if there is any kind of the situation, then they give you information on this tooltip. We have received our campaign. It is now with our policy team to review. We thoroughly review each campaign. Means when you created, or I can say when I created this campaign, then I seen that they said that we need 1 to 3 days to review and approve the campaign or review or decide. Now, if you want to create a new campaign, simply you click here. But if you want to edit existing campaign, then you need to go with the this. You click on this, and here this is the things that you can change from here. like lead generation, online purchase. One thing is this, everything you can make from here. Now, one part is this. This is continue. When you do it continue, you will reach to the next session. But did you find here any option to create a new ad in this campaign? I think no. Let me explain you once again. So here you can see that you cannot make any new ad in this. Let me show you that if you want to create a new ad in a particular campaign, then how will you add? As there is no any option. You can easily understand that you cannot find a new ad. So inside the campaign, you go on here and simply if you come here, then you find only the information that is related with the summary, means this is showing you how your campaign is performed. So this is the primary object, means when you are going to create a new ad, then only you can add as much as possible. But but if you want really add the campaign, then please do not go anywhere. You simply come to this sandwich button, you click on this, and then you find all your ads are displaying here, 1 and 2. This is the process. You can delete, you can see that how your ads will look like. Placement preview, on-site demo. This is the feed. You can copy the feed, and you can see how your ad will display. Means this is the website, and simply you scroll it down, and scroll it down. My ad is showing here, and it looks just like this. Means if someone is saying this ad, then they can find that this is also the content related with this website. So now let me explain you that how to add a new uh, ad in this. Simply please paste your landing page. We recommend using the HTTP override. So what I am doing, I am taking the site. I am taking a site. Which kind of the site I should take? I can take one more website that is related with the tour and travel. So what can be it? It can be the booking.com. I take in this simply and paste this here. As I paste, I add it, and as I add, I see that they are fetching the data. Means there is one thumbnail, this is the title, and this is the description, this is the URL. Now here I have option to change the title, the largest selection of hotel, home and vacation rental at affordable rate. Simply, it is okay. And I want to change the description also. Explore the world with booking.com. Okay, you can explore the world with us instead of doing this. Big saving at homes, hotels, flight, car, rental, taxi, whatever I want, I can put here. The very important thing with the Taboola ads is this. They are not giving you under burden that you create this kind of the ad, because you can see here according to page my ad has been created, means as accordingly, like if I am showing here, then it is look like this. It is looks very similar to the content, existing content of the website. So they are really very important for the promotion of a particular product that can be trusted by the users. So if you want to change the URL like book now, but it should be working, otherwise it will be rejected. So take care of this thing also. And how your ad will look like, click on this placement. You can see this also, like in the feed you can find it look like this. or on site. If you want to see the demo, then you can see it will look like this. So I hope how to create the Taboola ads, how they will look on a website. Is it clear to all of you? So a few things are left that I want to explain you. This is the section where every time Taboola will give you some recommendation, like change in the text, change in the image, change in the description. So you need to do this time to time if you find that these recommendations are really good. Conversion, they give you a code actually. So you need to put on a thank you page, means the page that appear just after completion of a task or completion after a certain things that you want to track. Audience, you can select audience from here or see which kind of the audience is viewing your ads. Audience name, we get query conversion rules, no activity yet. The ads are not running as of now, so you can do this. And even you can remove this ad, you can audience, and you can edit it also. If I click on this, then I can change according to my audience. Means this audience is actually the URL here, here actually. So means what we want in the result form. Here you can see if there is any kind of the issues to find, then any one of this will be flagged out. So I hope this section is clear to you. Billing management and payment is very easy for everyone, that you need to add new payment method. They are only accepted credit cards and debit cards. Mainly they accept credit cards only. So you give the information here. This is the payment, and here you can find invoice. This will be generated after. Now, one more thing that I want to explain, that you need to create at least 5 to 6 ad inside a campaign, because there are two way of the tracking. One is simple optimization, second is AB. Optimization means whichever ad is performing in beginning, Taboola give the equal opportunity to all the ads. Means all the ads running simultaneously, one by one. They get similar kind of the impression. They get similar kind of the time. Taboola analyze that which ad is performing well, means which ad has been seen by the people, which ad get good engagement, click and response. Then their inside algorithm decide that this ad is one of the best ad. Okay, so this is the one of the best ad. And once they decided, in the optimization, they always try to give a good number of weightage to that particular ad because it given a good response. While in the A/B testing, for a particular time being, as I see in the last session, I need to decide that last 7 days I am going to do A/B testing. Actually, in the A/B testing, we can understand that why this ad is showing too much. In the optimization, Taboola decide themselves that why this ad should be shown. This is the basic difference. Okay. So in the A/B testing, every ad will get up equal opportunities, equal impression, equal time, and in that, whichever ad is gaining good number of impression, hits, engagement, will be decided that this is the one of the best. So it has very simple flow. Simple flow means if you go to the ad campaign simply, you need to give the name of campaign. You need to give branding text. Means branding text means what do you want to see so at this location. Okay. Now then marketing object. Suppose you are purchasing online. Always remember that the ad criteria will be the same. Either you choose this, either you choose this or this. Now let's go to the mobile app installation because only this is remaining. Rest are done. So what I am doing, I am taking a app of mobile so that I can explain. Mobile app installation as soon as review and from we can give it from 15 when I stop it until 31st. Campaign schedule we can do it custom as I told you that not all days, exclude this day, exclude this day, exclude this day, and exclude this day. And we can change the time also. So we can give the time 5 p.m. AM to 9 and we can apply it. So only these days we will see our ads. So we can apply and we go to the weekend. Or if we select the everyday, then everyday will be here. And now you have option you can exclude this day. Okay. So you can change the time zone. You can select the target location, block look like, and all locations. So block location means you can select the year. Uh, this is actually all the countries that that need to be target from here. Target location you can select country like USA or United States. Okay, so you simply selected this. In this country, you want to select a particular state, suppose Alaska. So you selected this. Under this demographic location, you can see, uh, suppose this, under this is city, you can city select anyone. Is there any city like this? And inside you want to postal code 1100. This is done. So actually I am just explaining you that how you can select, but you select with very specifically as per your requirement. And here I want to show this ad only on the smartphone because only smartphone having the facility to download the operating system. Exclude if my uh, mobile application is Android, then I need to ex means I need to exclude iOS and Windows. So block all, add one more iOS and Windows. Okay, so this is done. No need to browser, no need to this. Yes, Wi-Fi is required. No, let it be. And integrated ad science, no need to do this. So we can do it like where my ad should not be so, like head speech content. So I don't want to show my ad side or something like. So all is done. Now my ad is related with and health and family welfare. So what I do, I can come here for the related with the health behavior, and we see that subcategory is anywhere health kind of the things. Now this is the health, and we can go select all. No need to go only on the tabula. Just place all, then we implement it. So this is our criteria. Means our ad will display on this kind of the bid amount. I given the uh, 0.02. Okay. Now in the initially I go to the fix. Now this is a smart bid. No need to do. You can do it like 0.05. No, no, less than not this. 5 means in a 2 or 3 clicks, one ad should be done. Spending limit monthly means it is $12, and they are saying the initial spending limit is recommended to be at least 2,100 per day in order to enable. Okay, so what we do, we can change it to 100. No, they are charging too much, really. And this is really very amazing that they are charging too much. Now, still they have not asked me anywhere to place my URL. Okay, so what is the name? Apollo branding test. What should be the branding test? Here I can put this one, and as of now this is done from here. Now let's move and see where they are asking me for the URL. Submit content. Now content means app is done. Now this is the time to take this and place it here. Add it. There is no need to you do more activities. You find that if this is okay, then it is okay. Otherwise you can edit it. You can change it. Install for health and medicine app. That's simple. Here you can also change. Here you can also change. Now you can see how your ad will look like. Now here your ad will look like this. Even you can try to change. Just a minute. You can try to change this image also. Means you can choose a file. You can do image library, video file, whatever you want to utilize, you can do it. So this is also editable, that I want to show you. Even you can add the video also, so that people can interested and see what you are going to offer them. On-site demo, our on-site demo will look like very easy like this. Now people are watching this and they think, okay, birthday party idea for kids, and just below this ad. So by seeing this activity, no one can judge that this is separate from this website. So they can click on this. As they click, they reach to the landing segment, and then they decide that is this good for them or not. So simply, this all the things are done. The ad creation process will remain same for everyone. Whatever target you choose, either lead, either whatever, the system will be remain same. And you can see campaign details here, means how your campaign is performing. So that's depend. Means here you see your all the campaigns. Recommendations are here, and campaign management. Here you can see find all the campaign. Even you can export all your columns, means this all columns you can. So as of now, what I am doing this. I am pause all the campaigns because every campaign is charging a big amount, and if by mistake they start running, then they will be empty my credit card. So I think all the important things inside this tabula I explain you. So my suggestion is this: after watching this video, you need to start creation. You need to spend some amount to see that how your ads are performing, and only this is the possibility that your ad will look like this, either this or either this or either this. So do not worry that how your ads will look like. You can modify your entire ads, including image, text, heading. Means it has the three major parts. One is the image, that is editable. Heading, this is editable, and the text is description, that is also editable. So you can enjoy this Taboola ads for enhance your business. I hope you love this session, and I recommend that you create your ad on so that you can learn a lot. So as per me, the Taboola ad creation is completed for you, and just time to create your own hand ad so that you can understand that how your ads are performing, how you are monitoring the campaign. If you had ever worked on the Google ads, then I am damn sure that you will run this ad very well. So have a great day. Thank you for being with us.